I'd rather be. And here with you, that's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me.
Hi family, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing fine. If you are new to my channel, my name is Timmy and you're welcome to Timmy Best Food Family. My new subscribers, you're welcome back once again to Timmy Best Food Family. Thank you so much for supporting baby girl. I really appreciate it. So in today's video, I want to make something. I'm going to make donuts. I want to try to make some snacks, so let's go. So I'm home now. I cannot even film at the supermarket because it is so hot outside. So I'm going to prepare chinchin now or egg roll. I'm going to do the two together. So let us go. Yeah. I'm going to add one egg. So I'll go on and add my yeast powder. Oh no. So this is what they called abroad. I asked for this, they gave me baking powder. And I bought it for €4. Will I go back there again? I'm not going out again because that outside is so hot. I'm going to use the baking powder like that. I'm not selling it, I want to eat it, right? So let's go. So I'm going to use my baking powder like that. I can't go out. I'm so sorry. I can't. I cannot. I cannot. I asked for. I'm going to use 2 egg so that the egg will represent the yeast. Yeah. So I'm going to put my sugar. My salt, just a little bit of salt. And I'm going to mix it together. I think I should bring the camera on this. Nobody should ask me if I want to bake cake. Because you'll be like, are you going to bake cake? I want to bake chinchin in another level. So I'm going to add my 1 kilo. Yeah, it's 1 kilo now. It's 1 kilo. 1 kilo of powder. So I'm going to add this my leftover butter. So I'm going to mix it together. I've washed my hand. But you asking that I don't wash my hand. I washed my hand. So I'm going to mix. I'm going to continue mixing it like this way. Don't tell me you don't like how I'm using 2 hands. I can't say no that you can use 1 hand to mix this type of flour. So everything is clean. Before I cannot be seeing comments of, oh, what's the nasty thing you're doing? I'm not doing nasty thing. Yeah. I'm going to show you my face. I'm sweating. Like, not sweating to the extent of the sweating will be coming out, but I'm sweating and sweating. I'm having enough sweating now. Oh my gosh. The people that want to eat this, they are sitting in the sitting room and watching TV. I'm the one giving myself stress there. No wahala. No wahala. No wahala.
No place I'd rather be. And here with you, that's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close.
So I'm going to Then I'll tie it well. Then I'm going to use this to cover it. Then I'm going to put it aside. Let's pack this mess. So I'll come back in the next 30 minutes. See you. Adios.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay here, then I would stay here forever.
I've been preparing chinchin since years ago, even when I was in school. So I'm going to go on and prepare my chinchin now. Then I will go on and prepare the egg roll for the first time. Then followed by my meat pie.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay here, then I would stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together.
So I'm going to use half egg or 3/4 egg. Call it anyhow. So it's my first time preparing this ever. I've never tried this for once and I've never been to where they are doing it. It's my first time. I'm trying to crack my brain and it came out perfectly. Oh my god. And it's so delicious. So just look how I'm doing it. I didn't add any yeast. I don't know if they are using yeast. I've never watched it before. So this is how I prepared my own.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay here, then I would stay here forever. If you're meant to.
So I'm done preparing my egg roll and my chin chin. I'm going to go on and prepare my meat pie. I'm not going to oven it. I'm going to fry everything. So let us go.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay here, then I would stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together. There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay here, then I would stay here forever.
So this is the outcome of what I've been doing with my 1 kilo of flour. So I'm going to fry everything now.
There's no place I'd rather be
I'm trying to choke my fork inside because sometimes if I buy egg roll, the inside don't used to cook well. So I try my best and be patient enough to cook everything in low heat. And it came out perfectly. Oh, look at this. It's my first time making this and it came out good. It's my first time making egg roll. First time in my entire life. So I'm going to go on and fry my meat pie. I didn't oven anything. I prepared 5 meat pie and 9 egg roll. Then I tried to prepare small chinchin. So let's go. So this is my chinchin. I'm trying to fry it. I don't want to leave it on fire because it's going to burn. So I'm trying to pack my chinchin here. Oh my god. Like this snack is heaven and earth. Trust me, without yeast or anything. So this is the outcome of it. Thank you so much for coming once again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my video. See you guys on my next video. Bye and happy Sunday.